putting in this cover plate on these three outlets. Seems like the cover plate's still a little bit, or one of the outlets is still sunken in a little bit. Maybe it's even a little out of alignment here. So I'm going to show you how to pull the outlet back out. This box is actually the J box is sunken into the wall because it's only been nailed from one side. So I had to use a pair of pliers or needle nose to suck the box, pull the box forward while I put this outlet. The outlet's ears, the ears are up there. These are actually holding the plastic box forward from well, otherwise it's sinking in. So unfortunately, it's the only thing you can do right now at this point in this construction. But I'm going to loosen it back up. Use this tool here, or you could use a small screwdriver to bend the ears out. That's what the ears here are for. They're here to push against the plaster or sheetrock, so that's what keeps the box forward a little bit. You can keep the plate will go on and adjust without these tight against the wall. I usually leave maybe the bottom ones looser. But in this case, I need them a little tighter just to hold that the J box straight and keep it from sinking in the back there. Now, the outlet's a little bit not aligned very straight. So here's a trick to keep that or straighten that out. Sometimes I just use a screwdriver to kind of wiggle or push the outlet left or right. Maybe even this needle nose, Nipix needle nose fits in there really well. So I like these two little tools here to adjust that box left. It looks like it has to go a little bit, so I'm going to bend that tab or flatten that tab on the one side to get it to lay flatter up there. So I'm going to actually use I'm going to use a hand tool to tighten it. I'm just going to use my drill, but since I'm videotaping, that would be too hard. So unfortunately, this box is being held tight by the ears up here. I'll just usually tighten the top ones a little bit, because the plate will hold the box where the outlet's in fairly tight just by the sheer plastic on the top there. So I'm going to straighten them out a little bit. Just loose enough so I can get the plate back on. Here's another trick. So if you can't always adjust the plate that way, just flip the plate over, get everything lined up this way with that. Use the plate backwards here to wiggle your, get them in there straight. Once they're straight, you could tighten them again, but double check it with the faceplate on the correct way. There you go. If you want to do a final adjustment a little bit with that screwdriver, the ground screw. Yep, nothing's turned on, obviously. Just putting this so we can get it all. So now they're all flush and copacetic. There you go.